All right, next we carefully remove the oil pressure gauge. Make sure the magnetic tray is close by.
Watch as the industrial strength formula cuts through decades of grime, revealing the pristine metal underneath.
Now we finalize the main caps. Nice and smooth. Just listen to that satisfying click. Okay, hold it right there. Watch the clearance on the distributor cap.
Got it. Looks aligned. Easy down now.
Keep moving it along the frame rail there. We need to get that section spotless.
Suspension coat.
And now we secure the braided line, bending it smoothly around the suspension. Listen to the click as the clamp tightens.
Gentle movements, ensuring a perfectly leveled surface for this beautiful British racing green.
This British racing green requires careful stirring to activate the metallic pigments. It's a precise process for a precise vehicle.
Just another 6 hours in the bay.
Good. We want that paint hardened perfectly.
Polishing the emblem ensures a perfect seal. It's all in the details.
All right, perfectly balanced, torque set, ready for the road.
Lining the curves precisely. Now, gentle pressure on the seal. And release the suction.
The detail in this 1952 XK120 is stunning. We're carefully clearing the seams, revealing the rich tan leather beneath.
Absolutely stunning. Look at that finish.
Notice how the water simply glides over the ceramic coating. The finish is absolutely flawless.
The key is the gentle glide across the glass, removing every impurity for that crystal clear finish.
They say true beauty is timeless. The 1952 XK120.
Step inside the 1952 Jaguar XK120. Experience the rich leather and polished wood craftsmanship.
Beautiful.
True elegance is not found on the straightaways.